The 2024 Fantic XXF 450. Italian enduro and off-road manufacturer Fantic has just unveiled its newest special edition model range for the 2024 model year. Dubbed the Black Edition, these models set themselves apart from the rest of Fantic's lineup thanks to a unique blacked-out aesthetic and a slew of premium accessories right out of the factory. Engine: 450cc, single-cylinder 4 strokes, liquid-cooled, 4 valves, DOHC. Fuel injection: the traction, torque and power released by this 450 are balanced by great vehicle control and management that allows it to exploit its enormous qualities at its best. The ECU system is an RX1Pro Athena-GET control, developed by the Fantic Racing Department. The aluminium perimeter frame and KYB suspension with SSS, speed-sensitive system, 48mm diameter fork, 310mm stroke and MX setting studied and improved by the Fantic Racing Department. The monoshock provides 317mm of wheel travel and is separately adjustable for preload, compression and rebound. An aluminium alloy swingarm and 21-inch front and 19-inch rims to accommodate Pirelli tyres. Naturally Nissin brakes with 270mm discs at the front and 240mm at the rear.